Hi guys, I'm Ramon Franklin. At my YouTube channel, I'll teach you a lot of great content about Shopify and dropshipping. I'll teach you how to make sales on Shopify, how to run ads on Shopify, how to find products on Shopify that are trending and selling on Google Shopping ads. And you can use the Google Shopping ads data to build a localized audience on Facebook and scale up the product to like 6 figures or more. So let's get into it. I'll teach you some great value. Okay. When you're looking for good product to sell, go to aliexpress.com. Go on the front page of AliExpress. See that I'm on the front page of AliExpress. Is scroll down on AliExpress. Look at these products. These are custom necklace that you can give person for a gift. These are selling. These will sell at the Christmas because person are thinking of gift to give their loved one or their family or friends. Custom necklace is a great gift to give a person. Okay, so we're gonna look for some product. These are some like ears. These are selling out on Instagram. I was trending. So we look for some products. This is a winner. I'm talking upstairs. We still gonna get this. Copy the name of product. Go to like Google Trend. Surf my slow internet speed. Basically, gotta fix my Wi-Fi. It's quite sweet. Oh, that is a product I found on the front page. I will show you that after we check this product. Okay. Let's check the different one. Oh, this trend is going down right now. Let's check a different product. I found one that we can check. It's this one. Let's go through and check this product. But this was this product. Start. This product is electrical unicorn walker. It's copy name electrical walking unicorn. Go back to Google Trend. See this? This product is trending right now. These are the type of product you want to find. When you find this product, take the name of the product, like You will go to google.com, you search product name, and it will pop up with the shopping feed ads, but it will pop up like this, the shopping feed ads and everything. But I'm not in the US, so I can't do that. Will not see like Shopify dropshipping store and stuff that are selling it. So you go to this website called I search from. You select United States, you select English, you put the product name in search, and it take you over to like play like this. This is the page. You see all your competitors are selling this product. Walmart, you don't need to watch Walmart these stores. It's basically some person you will like buy from Walmart or person 8 AliExpress, but you go person 8 eBay too. So like look for it on these type of store. You look at the store name, you go across and look at names. Basically this is a job shipping store based on the name of the store. You know it's a job shipping store, it's chain delivery. Try to copy this store name. Can't like go to the store right here. So search up the store. Oh, I know this store. Chain delivery. Basically, when you find these products that's these trending product, you go on Google Shopping feed and look for the store. This is the next Shopify store. From you see the trend, you know it's a Shopify store. Once you find this product, you go to their store. You can have a Google sheet with store links that you can paste them in the store. I'll show you something that a lot of people do. The Google links, like you need this Chrome extension called inspector. Use a common inspector and sort this store. You need to save the store. You look at the store to see what they're uploading on their store. So you check the product on their store. You go back to Google Trend and check the product in Google Trend and see if it's trending. So you can use spying their products with the store. Like you go with the products, you load the products and everything. Like let's wait for it to load. Okay, load of products that they're recently adding to their store. They add this product 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. So you basically in their store, like go to their products and like copy the name of the product and put it in back in Google Trend and check the product trend. Look at this product. Click on this product and go to it in their store. Copy this. Oh, you can't copy from this store. That's a piece of program code that you can put in your store. So like person can copy in the store. But basically like you do is go to the store, copy the title, go back in Google Trend, you go back in Google Trend, like you check the trend if the product is trending or such, and like you get those stuff. Once you see the product is trending, you look for the product in AliExpress, you add it to your store, you push it to your Google shop, your Google Merchant Center, and basically you push it and start running ads. But when you're running Google ads, you need to set the ads strategy to maximize click $1 per click, and the daily budget should be like $5 to $10 daily budget. You do that, just let the ad run and you see result. You just save this store and use the common inspector to see the latest product yet putting in this store, because this store are making a lot of sales. I know these stores, they're making a lot of sale with Google Shopping. They use Google Shopping only with their Shopify store, but I will show you a way like when you use Google Shopping with the store, you can take the product and make a lookalike audience on Facebook with that product, and you can scale it up the product with Facebook. It will be easier for you. A lot of big gurus they do not teach these stuff. Like you should start with Google Shopping ads, or those they just teach you like they do Facebook ad, $5 budget and test product. Yes, the keys for dropshipping is testing product, but you need to like try different strategies like this one. Like you need to use Google Shopping feed, use a Google data, and bring it over to Facebook and create a lookalike audience. So you need in the Shopify store, you need like the Pixel install in the store, Google Analytics in your store, all those stuff. You need to make a high quality store like this one. This store is a very clean store. You need these apps with like with, with the comment inspector. You can see the apps they are using in their store. Please check. Sorry about my internet speed. Yes, this is app. There is a Clavio Reader app using currency converter app. User app they're using Loot Review, Quantity Break. They're using a lot of I they're using a lot of good apps that you can like use in your store. You can use these apps in your store to see a lot of results. Look at this store, it's very clean. You can basically look at their products. One of the next thing you can do is like sort their product by bestseller. This app right there. Or the idea bestseller listing. So basically when you find their bestseller, you can use their bestseller, copy the title of their bestseller, go back in Google Trend and see if it's trending. When it's trending, you take it over back in your store, use the same strategy, but you need to optimize your title. You will need like a keyword tool named keyword everywhere. Basically it's this extension, keyword everywhere. You need that extension. Keyword everywhere give you like search and people searching for it, but I didn't activate it with this browser. But I'll show you how to use that in the next video. So if you like my content that I'm giving you, so you can like and share and subscribe to my channel for more content. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like to see more great content like this.